guys, I'm glad you're all here. Thank you very much for joining me. Here's a post I found on Twitter this morning from yesterday. It says, here's something you don't get to see every day living in the Bay Area. Snow. I just took this video around 5 a.m. near the summit of Highway 17 in the Santa Cruz Mountains, where thick, fluffy flakes were falling on us, covering cars in the parking lot. Yeah, this is amazing. On weather.gov, here on the National Weather Service, you can see hazards and warnings. And if I put on forecasts for what's coming, yeah, look at that. More cold weather. Evidently, there in Los Angeles and Ventura counties, they had prompted their first blizzard warning since 1989. They're telling people you could get 2 to 5 feet of snow near elevations of 4,000 feet. Right now at the Monterey Regional Airport, it's 42 degrees or 6 Celsius. At San Francisco International Airport, it's currently 41 degrees or 5 Celsius. So far today, there's been 8,156 delays for flights, cancellations 858. The Los Angeles International Airport has had 67 delays and 11 flights canceled. San Francisco International Airport has 8 flights canceled, 27 delayed. Denver International has had 7 flights canceled, 40 delayed. Los Angeles International Airport has had 67 delays and 12 canceled. At the Los Angeles International Airport, is currently 46 degrees or 8 Celsius. Sacramento International Airport is currently 42 degrees or 6 Celsius. They're at South Lake Tahoe. It's currently 21 degrees. Seattle Tacoma International is currently 21 degrees. Portland International Airport, it's currently 26 degrees. Here on Fox News, they're saying Portland sees its snowiest day since World War II, as rare blizzard warning issued for the Los Angeles mountains. As much as 5 feet of snow and wind gusts of 75 miles an hour are expected in the mountains. At the highest elevation, they could see up to 7 feet of snow. Yet that precipitation will be greatly needed to fill up the reservoirs. And the National Weather Service in San Diego issued its first ever blizzard warning on Thursday for the San Bernardino Mountains from 4 a.m. today, Friday, to 6 p.m. on Saturday. Here's a post evidently from Los Angeles. Freezing my ass off at 40 degrees this morning. We just had snow at the Hollywood sign yesterday. Supposed to get worse. Thank God for global warming. Great. Here's an image of someone's dog enjoying the snow in Portland, Oregon. I'm not sure where this was at. Posted of the kitty named Whitney. Yeah, they they don't have snowshoes. Currently, Highway 17 through the Santa Cruz Mountains remains closed in both directions due to multiple hazards, including snow. Well, you know, there's freezing ice underneath all that snow. Black ice. Another Twitter post says that there is a combination of downed trees, deep snow, and ice shut down Highway 17 at the summit early Friday today as a winter storm batters the Bay Area. Here we have another video from Sonoma County, Highway 101 this morning. Yeah, drive safe out there. So, do you have a lot of snow? Do you have a lot of ice? What's your weather conditions today? Please put those comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please stay safe, and I'll talk to you later. God bless you. Bye.